In this video, we'll see how to create a classic balustrade step by step with Blender. Let's easily import from a DXF file. A DXF file of the outline of our balustrade. Let's select it and convert it into a mesh, since the lines will be read as curves and not as curves. We can't execute the command, so let's convert them into a mesh. By pressing the Tab key, we enter Edit mode and check that the entire shape is closed. To do this, we select everything with A, then press M and choose By Distance. Let's make sure there are no overlapping vertices by looking at the bottom here. Now, let's select everything with A and F. We simply close the shape. Now, let's take the origin and move it to this point here. To do this, with Ctrl and the period key, we select the origin, and with G, holding Ctrl, we move the origin. Holding down the Ctrl key, we move the origin. So, ensuring that we have snap active and ready to the vertices. Let's move the origin to this point. And with Ctrl and the period key, we exit the selection of the 3D of the origin. Let's select the element, and from the side panel in the Item tab, we set the origin's position to 0. At this point, let's simply switch to a top view, and with GX90, actually RX90, let's flip this element vertically. With Tab, we enter Edit mode, and with Spin, we give a small extrusion, and here we confirm 360 degrees. With TIB, we simply come out and we just have our column basically